stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman back again with another POV drive for y'all. Water, bro. Oh my days. But anyways, man, as y'all can see, we're in the mountains today, and yeah. I mean, bro, let me put it on sports, bro. Sports display, yes sir. Yeah, bro. We out here. I haven't posted a POV in like over what, 3 months? Yeah, I think it's been like 3 months, bro, which is crazy. But yeah, man, y'all know how it is, bro. Y'all know the vibes. We're back again in the 320. You know, doing some mountain driving. Just came back from Harties and like, so if y'all know the way to Harties, y'all know this road. I feel like this is my favorite road, bro. I don't even lie to y'all. But yeah, man, I'm on my way to, where am I going? Oh, I'm on my way to OR Tambo, bro, right now. So I'm going to the airport real quick. But yeah, man, other than that, bro, shoot, bro, it's been a minute. So basically what happened, yeah, CLA caught on fire. I think I'm gonna put the videos for y'all, and man, it's gonna be out of commission for some time, bro, for some time. But yeah, man, I see you guys have been enjoying the POVs. You guys have been asking for the POVs too, bro. But yeah, man, other than that, I mean, this, bro, like, exhaust wise, you really can't hear anything. Plus I can't press it like that because I forgot my head mount, bro. So I'm literally holding my phone on my head, bro, well, above my head. But yeah, man, new car is coming on the channel too, hopefully soon enough. But bro, I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, I haven't been here, I haven't done any POVs in a minute too, bro. But yeah, bro, like, man, CLA out of commission, bro. Yeah, you know what, let me insert the video over here. Yes sir. Yeah, man, y'all saw what happened, bro. Like, it's bad, bro. It's bad, but it is what it is, man. A baby caught fire, bro. Like, bruh. But yeah, man, other than that, bro, hey, man, I've been enjoying life. I'm about to write exams soon, bro. So you're probably gonna get some, you know, driving back from school type of not vlogs but POVs, bro. Look at, bro, imagine like having a supercar on this road, bro. Like, I am stepping on it. Crazy enough, bro, like literally right here, like, well, I think it was like last year or 2 years back, bro, almost got into an accident, bro. Like, that was intense also. That was also intense. But yeah, man, I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, I haven't done any POVs in a minute. Shit. Those cops, bro. We got cops, bro. Hell, nah, I had to put my phone down, bro, because y'all know they be tripping. Because you're not allowed to drive with the phone on your knee, bro. Bro, I hate the water, bro. The fact that this car loses traction, that's why I don't even have traction off, bro. Like, hell no, bro. This other day, I feel like it's just gonna be a story time POV, bro. But yeah, man, this other day when I was I think I was on my way back from Harties. Yeah, I was on my way back from Harties, bro. So basically what had happened was, you know, what is hydroplane? It was something like, yeah, I don't know what it's called, but it's called something like that, bro. So basically the car lost traction, bro. So womp womp, bro. Why does this thing look black and white? The hell? Maybe is it the exposure? I don't know. I do not know, bro. Camera looked black and white for a minute there. But bro, the fact that I can't step on this, bro, the instant power of this, bro. I know it's not like that powerful, but bro, like, when you step on it, it moves, bro. That's one thing I like about it. But you know what, chat, I'm gonna pick you up when I'm on the highway. Hopefully we'll see some nice cars. But yeah, man, I'm gonna check you all then, bro. Yeah, bro, on the way to OR Tambo right now. The airport, aka the airport, bro. Bro, it is so, bro. It's so, bro. Tell me why it's raining, bro. Like, I can't even speed like that. I wasn't gonna speed, by the way, just saying, chat. But like, bruh. The fact that I have to my Zisa, dog. Like, my Zisa ring is not nice, bro. It is not nice, but yeah, y'all see the board, bro. On the way. But there's so many cops outside too, bro. Especially on the highway. Or maybe it's cause December is near. But y'all know how these cops be like, bro. And like, it's festives and, you know, all that. They be outside, bro. For real. But yeah, bro, I saw I think the new 240, bro. I think it was nice. Sounded good too. But bro, I don't even, bro, it's just gonna be like, I think I'm a clickbait when it comes to this, bro. I'm gonna be on some trying to slide every corner in a BMW 320 plus it's weird too, bro. I think I should I try it? That's a good video idea, bro. On like, you know, trying to slide every corner. I mean, bro, when I say this thing does slip, though, I won't even lie to you. This thing does slip, but yeah, man. Right now, just going to drop off the car that's literally right in front of me. I'm going to drop it off, and after that, yeah, man, we are sad. I'm going home, bro. I won't even lie to you. I need to go chow books, dog. Bro, what is it? Me or this thing looks black and white, bro? Like, bro, the hell? So annoying. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, bro. Maybe I'm tripping, I don't know, bro, but bro, it's so annoying, bro. But anyways, bro, I need to show all the upgrades, bro. We did like some, you know, put some guess, is it the M mirror caps? Yeah, M mirror caps. You know, with the little wings on the side. I don't even know what to call them, but yeah, put that. Got a new spoiler, and like you guys, I'll show you the outside when I get the chance, bro. But like, yeah, bro, the car looks fire now, bro. Oh, like. Looks like it, bro. It's the little upgrades, bro. I don't even lie to your chat. Like, y'all see the little upgrades, bro. Yeah, those are fire. But anyways, bro, we outside. Okay, bro. I don't even recommend speeding when it's raining. Like, oh yeah, bro. Tell me why on the road I see a BMW, bro. Looks, bro, like some people can't drive out here, bro. How the hell do you drive? Like, bro, how do you drive a BMW fast on a wet road, bro? Like, bro, come on, bro. I feel like some people can't handle like rear-wheel drive cars, bro. They just hop on the car and yeah, that's it, bro. Like, bro, how the hell you go crash, bro? Because he literally slid out the road, bro. Like, come on, bro. Everybody knows that BMWs, they slide, bro. Whether it's an M car or not, yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me. Just tap on it a little on the wet surface, bro. It's chai. I'm telling you. But yeah, man, I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the POVs too, bro. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a minute. It's just that I haven't like found the time really to upload for y'all when it comes to the POV drives, bro. Like, bro, chat. If I'm being honest with y'all, I'll just be sitting at home, bro. I won't even lie to y'all, bro. But December though, I wanna go to like car meets and all that. So y'all are probably wanna get some car meet POVs, you know. And yeah, man, I just need to find like places where they host like proper car meets, bro. Not stunt shows, bro. Cause yeah, I'm not a fan of like, you know, stunts and all that. I mean, the cars look good, but I'm not really a fan, bro. And also, I lost my phone, my other phone basically. My previous phone, let me just put it that way. God damn, bro, the V-Class is moving. But yeah, I lost the previous phone, and I had some footage, some POV footage for y'all. So I don't know. I'm gonna probably try getting it on iCloud. Hopefully it works. Oh, this is where GoBit is. Chat, should we do a rebuild, bro? I low-key want to do a rebuild next year. I think I'm gonna post it on this channel. No, should I post it on this channel or the other channel? I don't know. We'll see. Bro, but bro, right now I'm just yapping, bro. Excuse me. I'm just yapping right now, bro. I won't even lie to y'all. But yeah, man, just out here, bro. I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, chat, how's life, bro? Comment down below. How's life? How y'all doing, bro? Like, is everything okay, chat? Checking up on you, for me, bro. Chat, I cut my. Bro, like literally cut my my thumb yesterday, bro. It hurts like a motherfucker, dog. It has like a motherfucker. Chat, do y'all prefer this POV or this? I don't know, bro. I feel like this is now, because y'all literally can see everything. Bro, why is it so dry here, dog? It's like it wasn't even raining here. What the? That's weird. Totally weird. Alright, bro. So almost there. Bro, look at that freaking planes. Fun fact, chat, I love planes so much, bro. Like, they might be a part. Ooh, bro, look at, oh my days. Look at how big this shit is, bro. God damn. Is that a boat? Oh, nah, bro. Those are cool, bro. Those are hella cool. On the British Airways. But anyways, bro. Yeah. We at the airport. At the airport, doggy. I don't even know where in the airport we're vibing, bro. But there's usually cops here, bro. So I'm gonna put this thing like this, just so I don't raise any suspicion, bro. You know, bro. My sister is up, bro. What you're making me turn last minute, duh? Yeah. I just know these cops here, bro. Like, them boys be outside like crazy. Alright, so there we go. Alright, there we go. Like crazy, chat. Type cock. Oh, the car returns. Type cock. Bro, let me shut up, bro. Oh, damn, trippy, dog. Oh, damn, bro. Alright, POV in the airport. Wait, bro, the train comes here. Oh, hell no. Did not know. Bro, where the hell are we going? Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna follow, bro. We got internationals here. Oh, bro, are you going or not, bro? It is what it is. Cause that was a stop sign. Oh, hell no. There's a lot going on here. Are we going under? Wait. There you go. Put it on sports. Can y'all hear those intakes though? Can't even do anything either way, bro. It's a hell of traffic. Alright, bro. It's gonna be it for this video, man. I hope you guys did enjoy the POV drive. I'm gonna catch y'all. Guess when I come, bro. Next time, dog.